Water any shaped garden with the Melnor multi-adjustable garden watering set. It's fully customizable, incredibly flexible, and easy to expand. Place each sprinkler where you want to water, adjusting the spray angle, direction, and range of each sprinkler. You can target the water exactly where you need it, even in narrow or square areas. Around taller plants, add extensions to elevate the watering. Connect with the included hoses. Attach a Melnor water timer to automate the entire system for worry-free watering. Once in place around your flowers, vegetable garden, or raised beds, your plants will stay perfectly watered all season long with the Melnor multi-adjustable garden watering set.